Ready?
All right, dive in. Let's see it. Jackknife.
Is that okay?
He's like, I don't know.
I don't hear a scream. God, he's good-natured little guy.
What do you think?
Not hollering at all.
Isn't that something?
A little cold? Is it a little bit cold?
Wow.
Too bad.
It's
He's like,
He'll shiver.
yeah, he's like a, You're doing great, baby boy. You are doing great. Yeah, look at you.
Hey, let him touch the water.
Liam? Liam? See?
we have plenty.
All right.
I'm sorry.
No, don't be.
Okay, I just
We, we got a box full of towels.
Okay.
There's some all laid all up there.
How's he doing?
He's something else. And this water's cold. He first got in, he's like,
He didn't make a peep. I'll be done. Isn't that amazing?
Michael says, or Helen says,
Any
he goes
animation?
to the doctor and they give him shots and he goes, ow! You know, like,
he does. He doesn't cry.
he
I'll
doesn't
be
really cry. He's like offended for a moment and then
splash
he's done, you know.
Look at him. I'll be done.
He's just figuring out what's going on. He's like, I don't know if I like this yet. I'm just gonna wait and see.